Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn the next part of the lesson, the necklace. In yesterday, we have learned that about the central idea of the story, and the central idea of the story is there. Here, a main character of our story is Mathil. Mathil was a pretty and charming girl, and she always thought to be to become very rich. She wanted to be very rich. She wanted rich jewelry to wear. She wanted a big house, a mansion, a palace like house to live. But she was born in a very poor family, means a middle class family, not the actual the poverty line family, but she was born in a middle class family. And due to this middle class family she belongs to, she was not able to have all that things which she loved very much. And due to her middle class family, she was also married to a clerk in the Ministry of Education. And after marriage, she lives she lived a very simple life. After marriage, her house was not so big as she wanted, and she was not able to wear rich dresses or rich jewelry, and she always wanted to live like a rich person, but her husband was not so rich. So which things she want in her life, she was not able to get that things, and in this way her life was going on. One day when her husband came from the ministry, he had an envelope in his hand. He showed that envelope to his wife, Mathel. Mathel opened that envelope and she saw an invitation card, and the invitation is about the party which is going on in the Ministry of Education, and she and her husband both were invited to attend that party. Generally, when we get an invitation of a party, we became very happy because every person like to enjoy the party, to attend the party, to meet their friends, to spend some time with their friends, and due to party we get that chance. But Madhil was not happy. Instead, she became very sad on seeing the invitation. She tore the invitation and threw it on the table. On seeing this, her husband became very surprised because he thought that if Madhil will see this invitation, she became happy. But that not happened. So he became shocked. So he became surprised, and he asked Mathil about that. He asked Mathil, why are you not happy on seeing this invitation? We will go and enjoy ourselves in that party very much. But Mathil was not happy. And the reason behind that, she is going to tell her husband. And now we will continue the next part. Instead of being delighted as her husband had hoped, she threw the invitation on the table resentfully and muttered, "What do you want me to do with that?" She was not happy on seeing the invitation and she tore the invitation card and threw on the table. Then she told she asked her husband, "You gave me this invitation, but what do you want from me to do with this invitation? What do you expect from me by giving me this invitation? And what do you expect me to wear if I go?" Then she asked her husband, "If I will be ready to go to the party, to attend the party, then what will I wear for the party? Which dress will I wear for the party?" He hadn't thought of that. He stammered, "Why, the dress you go to the theater in, it seems very nice to me." Her husband never thought of this. He never thought that what Mathil will wear if they will go to the party. And then he suggests her that the dress, when they went to the theater, that time the dress she wore was very nice and he advised her to wear that dress. He stopped, stunned, distressed to see his wife crying. But Mathil started crying and his husband was stunned. Stunned means surprised. Distressed became unhappy to see his wife crying. When Mathil started crying, her husband became very sad. He became very surprised. He stuttered, "What's the matter? Let's see, Mathil, how much would a suitable dress cost?" Then he stuttered. Stuttered means okay, I will explain you. Stuttered means spoke with difficulty. Means when we are afraid of speaking someone about something, we are not able to be very frank while asking some question or while asking something from that person, and in that time, at that time, we hesitate to ask or to speak with that person. Stuttered means spoke with difficulty, means to be hesitate. He stuttered, "What the matter?" He spoke in difficulty. What the matter? He asked, "Let's see, Mathil, how much would a suitable dress cost?" Then he asked his wife, "How much a suitable dress cost?" Means in how many cost will you able to buy a new dress? She thought for a moment, computing the cost and also wondering what amount she could ask for without an immediate refusal. On hearing this question from her husband, Mathil thought for a moment. She thought to herself, and in her mind she was computing, means calculating about something, and she was also wondering what to tell about the cost to her husband. She was not known, she did not know what the actual cost of the dress was. So she was calculating in her mind to tell her husband. And she also thought that if I told my husband about a cost which for which he was not able to give me, and if he refused to give me money, then what will happen? So she didn't want to have a quick refusal from her husband, so she was calculating. At last they answered hesitantly, "I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs." Then she also hesitated to tell her husband what the cost of the dress will be. Then she told, "I don't know exactly, but I think I could do it with 400 francs." She told that she will be able to buy a new dress with 400 francs. He turned a little pale because he had been saving that exact amount to pay to buy a gun for a hunting summer. On hearing that amount, her husband turned a little pale. Turned pale means to become yellow, and here not the actual meaning is taking to be yellow, but he became somewhat sad because he had been saving that exact amount, means 400 francs, to buy a gun for hunting in the summer season in the country near Nanterre with a few friends. In a country near Nanterre with his few friends. For that he had been saving that exact amount. However, he said, very well, I can give you 400 francs, but try and get a really beautiful dress. But at that moment, he thought that it is not very important for him to buy a gun. And at that moment, he thought that it is important to give that 400 francs to his wife to buy a new dress so that she could attend the party. And so he was ready to give his wife the amount 400 francs to buy her a new dress. And he also told her to buy really a very beautiful, really a very nice dress for her. The day of the party drew near, and Mademoiselle seemed sad, restless, anxious, though her dress was ready. And in this way, the day of the party drew near. But still, Mathilde was not happy. She seemed sad, restless, anxious. Now she had a dress, a beautiful dress, a nice dress, but still she is not happy. One evening her husband said to her, "What is the matter? You have been acting strange these last 3 days." And when her husband noticed her behavior, one day evening, he asked her wife, he asked Mathilde, "What is the matter? What happens with you? Why are you sad? Why are you restless? I am seeing you from the last 3 days that you are not okay. You are behaving very strange. What is the reason behind that?" And we will see what is the reason behind that in our next period. Now we are going to see this part on the digital board.
Invitation card in his hand. It was the invitation to a grand party to be hosted by the Minister of Education and Madame Georges Rampo. Mr. Loisel thought Mathilde would be very happy and joyous seeing the invitation. But to his surprise, she instead became sad as she didn't have any good dress to wear for the party, and she started crying. On seeing her cry, her loving husband Mr. Loisel gave her 400 francs to buy a dress, which he had saved for himself to buy a gun for the hunting summer season. But he sacrificed his want to fulfill the desire of his wife. But only a new dress didn't seem enough to Mathilde. She also wanted jewels to wear with the dress. So her husband suggested her to wear some flowers instead of the jewels, but she refused.
And your today's homework is to find out the answers of the in-text questions given on page number 18 and page number 19. Thank you.